Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is bean, avocado and tomato salad. Okay, first thing what we're gonna do is, I've got a bowl in here, I've got some lettuce, we're gonna take the bottom part with our hand off and cut it with our hand, chunks, into this bowl. But if you don't like this stalk, you can shred it like that and throw the stalk away. This like that, and take the stalk away. Okay? If you see any black bits, throw them away. So I'm gonna cut it with my hand like that. Then I have some mixed leaf. I'm gonna add it to that bowl as well. We're gonna fill it up with cold water and we leave it on the side in here. So by the time we prepare the rest of the ingredients, it can freshen up nicely. Now the avocados. As the avocado, we're gonna cut in the middle like that, from the middle to the bone. Okay? Take it like that too. Now we're gonna take the bone out with the knife like that, and we throw the bone. Now we're gonna cut quarters like that, and we're gonna take the skin off, look, easily like that. Okay? And we put it into this container. No, in fact, we leave it on the chopping board because we need to slice it. Look, this is to take the skin off it's very, very nice and ripe. Now we're gonna slice it and put it into this container and add some lemon juice, because when avocado touches the air, it will discolor very, very quickly. So let's slice the avocado, lemon juice, add some lemon juice, and we leave it in there for the time being. Okay? Now the tomato. We're gonna wash, take the eye of the tomato, use a small knife, with water, and either you cut it in 8 pieces or we're gonna take the seeds off. I prefer to take the seeds off. And then we slice it. But if you don't want to take the seeds off, you just cut it in 8 small pieces. and we're gonna slice. That's the tomato. We're gonna put it in this container for the time being. So now we've got the lettuce, which is in water. We've got the avocado sliced, the tomato cut. Now the red onion. We're gonna peel and slice the red onion. It's a beautiful, fresh salad. Summer. In summer especially, very refreshing. Okay? And we're gonna slice. It's up to you. We always take that bit of the onion, the bulb of the onion, and we slice. Okay, I'm gonna put it with the tomato in there, and that's the onion. Now the beans. The beans, if you're using tin beans, we need to drain them, wash them. We need to drain them, wash them under cold running water to take that syrup from the tin out. Okay, we're gonna let them drain a little bit. By the time, I'm gonna chop a little bit parsley to add for the beans to give them that nice extra flavor. I'm gonna chop some parsley, roughly chopped. As you can see, I'm gonna add the beans into this bowl. Nice. Add the chopped parsley in there and a little bit olive oil. Like that. And we leave them in there for the time being. Mix them nicely. Beautiful. Okay? We can even season them. A little bit pepper and salt in there. Look, to give them that nice extra flavor to them. Okay? So now what we're gonna do is we drain the lettuce. But we're gonna leave it there to drain until we prepare the dressing. For ingredients and step-by-step recipe method with pictures, please do log in on our website robnjays.com or like us on our Facebook page. We also have Twitter, Instagram and Pinterest. And please do share our work so other families will benefit from this project. Thank you very much for that. So now the dressing. I'm gonna do the dressing. So, very easy, nice, quick dressing. We're gonna add some olive oil into the bowl. some chili oil, pinch of sugar, some chili powder in there, garlic, 1 clove of garlic, that's it, mix, some garlic and some vinegar, white wine vinegar. We mix it up. That's the dressing. Dressing is ready. Now we leave the dressing in here. We're gonna chop some parsley to the end to add it at the end of the salad. We chop some parsley. Roughly chopped. Okay, let's put this nice beautiful salad together. Gonna clean down a little bit. So we're gonna add some lettuce in there and mixed leaf. Then the tomatoes. Everything is nice, handy with our preparation. Some red onions. Smells nice. Avocados. Look at that. Eat me. That's his name. Eat me. And beans. Beans on top. Okay? The dressing. And at the end is the chopped parsley. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay? And the chopped parsley at the end. Beautiful. Bean, avocado, and tomato salad. For more videos, please click the right hand button to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now. Bye-bye.